Hello, ho, 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 ho. Yeah, let me set a few things up like always. And then we can finally start. And yeah, like always, welcome to the stream. If you want anything, if you want me anything to cover now, please write it down in the chat. If you want anything to test, if you have scripts, if you have code you want to share, just contact me on Discord, ask me for Discord in the chat, I will post it. And yeah, everything should be set up any second now. The clue is there. Okay, so let us start. Can you see the game, by the way? Yeah, I'm working on this little game here. And I wanna find the issue why this game gets slower from time to time. And if the animation does have anything to do with that. So for that last thing, and hello to the one who joined recently, goodbye to the one who joined recently. Yeah, last thing I did lately was something like mowing maybe. Okay, I mow anyways. Oh, I need to, the chat is not there and I need to set up some good music. So let me do this. Here we go, perfect. And now music.
Together, we are Valorant.
Okay, this is definitely too loud. Yeah, I get this seems cool. Okay, now I will start with coding. Console is a little bit too big. Now, what could cause player? Maybe let's see if the frame rate also decreases. If this is not. It's hard to tell, but it seems so like it decreases also, yeah. Frame rate is also decreasing. As you can see here, obviously, yeah. Compared with the start. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, this is a lot of faster. So what does this cause? Let me see, game, level. Now let's, okay, first main game. see. Logo, and where was... Yeah, player. I will reset the animations, because the animations are a good indicator if the frame rate dropped or not. But now I can see what I didn't do now. I'm not actually... Yeah. There's no input regarding the mouse clicks, but yeah, still it gets slower. A lot of slower. So this also doesn't seem to affect it. Now, next step. There's many things we can try out. Like... Let's remove the enemies. Level. And now let's... Maybe too much enemies? Okay. Okay, maybe the enemies called it. Because now the speed didn't increase at all. Yeah, now the speed is the same. Okay, so there's something regarding the enemies. Okay, so nothing new in the chat. I just edited my mobile phones in a way that I can look into the chat with my mobile phone and don't have to minimize my IDE all the time. Okay. Now. What could cause this? Enemies are generated. Okay. How much enemies are there? Maybe it's a random movement. What does it slow that down? The movement? Okay. Maybe I kind of, yes, suspect or yes, have in mind that the movement of the little animating the NPCs can cause the frame rate drop. So what I'm trying to change is the movement speed, which is completely random. With it, compute enemies. Here we have. And I guess this could be the main issue. Let me think about this. Here I may find the issue. Okay. Let's say if not gas. Random move. Save point. Gas equals 0. And yes, green virus. compute move, yeah. If not, enemy point guess. Enemy point guess equals 10. While enemy point guess minus equals 1. Okay, if, because it has to be go with the clock. Okay, random move equals 0. Now happy. And now he's happy. Now let's see if the... Okay, this seems to be much better. Yeah. Now we don't have this decrease of the frame rate. Still, I will decrease the frames to 30 FPS. Will be much easier. Toggle click. Let's say 30. Yeah, much easier for the program to compute. And still fast enough. Okay, yeah. But they move a little bit slow. Okay, so I guess I know the issue. Hello, by the way, to the one who joined recently. Huh. Okay, so now I'm kind of stupid. Don't get the logic behind that, but yeah. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, random move. Hello to the one who joined recently, to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I can kind of save this variable for the next time, and I have to be really careful regarding the memory and my resources, because I already got into great FPS drops regarding the game I'm working on. And hello to the next one who joined recently. If you want me to cover anything else, I can do Python basics, I can do Numpy, I can do Matplotlib, I can do Pandas. I can try to build a website. I never built one, but we can try to learn it together. Anything you could imagine, just write it down in the chat and we will try to do it or accomplish it. Okay, random move equals random add. Kind of slowed the enemies down. Now let's say if random move, so enemy move direction equals enemy point move direction. Now let's say where's enemy gas move direction. Save point move direction equals 1. Now let's see NPC as a placeholder. Let's see. Hello anyone who joined recently, and hello Whiskey, how are you? I'm totally fine, really feeling good today. How are you feeling? 8 because I have 8 viewers. 8 viewers means I'm totally cool, because I don't have 8 viewers that often. So yeah, hope you're doing also fine. And yeah, today is a Saturday night stream. I kind of always start streaming that lately, so yeah, it's a Saturday night stream. Okay, so back to okay, you are looking for an internship at a tech company, or at a specific tech company? Where are you looking at the moment? Because maybe, and yeah, I don't know, I guess you can't do internship in home office, because then everything would be possible. But yeah, I guess internship in home office isn't the internship anyone is looking for. You wonder. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Sounds totally 100% cool. I'm just thinking, if I'm correctly, maybe let me. I'm thinking. Where are you from? Sorry, I forgot to ask. I already asked once before, but I kind of have a bad memory. Where were you from? Cause maybe. And do you look for an internship? Ah, yes, I remember. Yeah, from Turkey. Okay, internship. Yeah, but if you're speaking English, you can get an internship in any country, I guess. Are there many tech companies in Turkey? I don't know. But most tech companies you can work from home. there are a lot of German companies who hire all their employees in other countries, and they pay them, they do home office all the time because they obviously can't come to Germany to work, so they're working from home. Tech company where a friend of mine works, for example. And yeah, they... Second damage. By the way, where was I? Player, level... I'm still on the Pygame, but I will only do Pygame, I guess. I should do a poll. Guess until, yeah, maybe 1 a.m. or p.m. I guess this is a.m. Yeah, 1 a.m. and then I want to learn Flask, so I will turn to Flask because I want to get into Flask. Can help me at work too, so yeah, that's the plan today. And yeah, I was thinking about streaming 2 hours today. Maybe 3 hours, I don't know. If the viewer amount is that high or keeps being that high. Oh, sorry, I kind of minimized that too much. If the viewer count keeps getting this high, keeps getting between 7 and 8, I won't end the stream by any means. Yeah. For example, what I now kind of did was, yeah, random move, enemy point move direction was a variable. I kind of tried to get the FPS high because after some time the FPS drops totally low. Maybe because it's now more complex because okay. Okay, maybe I got it wrong. Okay, I messed something up. But I wouldn't be myself if I couldn't fix that. Player NPC, so move deer. Ah, okay, because class NPC. Let's call it direction. Let's call it yes, just call it direction. Yeah, simply. And now, okay, still have the issue. Up move deer, yeah, that was the issue. It was simply that, and that's important. Never name, I named a variable move direction, and I also named a function move direction, and that gives you some problem. Okay, now it's not callable, level pi. Move directions, so now let's see. Move directions, only here, it is, don't know, I don't get the issue now. If not self. Okay. But it's not anymore an integer object. Let me get back to level. It's not an enemy point move direction 4. Or did I do it? Ah, maybe player NPC Anything new in the chat? Not at all. Okay, 1 point. Just hello, Matt. How are you? Nice to see you. Really nice to see you, buddy. So yeah, where's the move direction? I called it move direction. Move direction. Only on this is the only one where it is called, so he can't. Why is he when I'm using enemy point there? Enemy point move there. Yeah, statement seems to have no effect. Ah, okay. That's it. Ah, cool. Yeah. If you are anything you wanna show, if any need any help, feel free to ask. Like always. This counts for anyone. If anyone wants to show us something or wants something to be asked, anything like that, just write it in the chat. Or if you want me to cover anything, want to switch topic, want to switch project, just tell it in the chat. At the moment, the game is kind of always a placeholder. Okay. Ah, okay, enemy direction. Here's the issue. Enemy point there equals. Ah, here we go. And now I'm curious, does the FPS frame drop? Doesn't seem at all that the FPS has any problems. Yeah, but levels shouldn't be too big. I guess this should be the maximum size. And after this I should switch to the next level. But he still gets slower, I guess. Yeah, he's lagging. Huh. Yeah, as you can see, it's now lagging. FPS drops. Ah, that's annoying. Why is he... That wasn't on my first project. Not at all. How many blobs did I generate? Generate enemies. Lit BG generate walls, collides with add enemies. 20, not that many. Okay. This seems enemy bullets. Okay. PC, bullet. Oh, thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you. I will copy it. 1 second. Print. Third point. Clock player. Where do I have it in level? Clock point. Get FPS. Now let's print. And you said self point. Oh, I don't have self point clock because it is a level, but clock point get FPS. Now let's try it. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Is this just imagination? Because now the FPS doesn't seem to drop. But yeah, let's find out. Wait a little bit. Okay. Ah, now it dropped. Okay. Yeah, in the middle it is much harder to compile because, yeah, you see much more. Okay, now it dropped. Yes. Here we go. Oh yeah, it drops. Don't even know why. At least it should get back to 30 after some time. For example, if he goes just... But no, it gets even worse. Yeah, after I wait for some time, let's see. The FPS gets higher. Not at all. Okay, so. But thanks, Ballas or Ballash. This really helped because now I know, can see when the FPS drops. Okay, let's try something. Now we can try. NPC move direction. Move down, right, left. Yeah, I can just go in the corner and wait for some time. But yeah, like before it didn't drop until a certain time. So I have to be cautious. Yeah, now it drops. It was 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. So it has nothing to do with myself. Okay. Can you see, by the way? Yes, you should be able to see everything, yeah. Huh. Okay, so it's the movement. I mean the movement of the enemies, not the movement of myself, because again level, yeah, here was compute movement, compute enemies, here it was. Yeah, probably you're right. I can't imagine which list. For example, in this list here with the enemies is created at the start of the level, and you won't create any more levels in game. It should be, or maybe. If this also creates a loop, I probably know why. Let me see. No. Not at all. Oh no, because... it is self-point in this one. But still... he's not... he's starting the level once and... yeah, he's starting the level once, so he's not losing one player. Yeah. And here... so let me try this without enemies. Generate start enemies again. And let's see how it now works. Oh, I forgot to print the... of course. Pygame. Yeah. Let me stop that. And now print. Clock point. Get FPS was it, I guess. Yeah. Try it again. Okay. Okay, we will do something now. To everyone, we will now get a coffee. It will take about 5 minutes, or is it even... yeah, about 5 minutes. And not even 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. And after that we will see if we have still got, or if he still got the issue with FPS. Yeah. But now it seems to be stable. Yeah, but I have to wait a little bit longer for that to... okay, now the FPS dropped because I switched the game to the right. And yeah, he's always again hitting the 30. So I really have the feeling it has something to do with the enemies. And yeah. Next step would be try it without enemy movement, so the enemy will only move if they see me. And yeah. But now I will get myself a cup of coffee. I will be back and yeah, I guess I don't need to make a big thing about it. That way you can see it twice, it's not needed. Okay. Text, be right back in 5, but it won't be 5 minutes. I guess it will be 3 minutes or 4 minutes, but I'll be right back. See you.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to bear. to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. But to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can.
Okay, I'm back. Try to search up every list, point append, and after that print out its name and length to see what blows up. Okay, that's a good idea. Can try that. But as you can see, without enemies, the FPS is still, after turning back, around 30. And now if I move. Okay, now, interesting. But yeah, maybe because I minimized it. Okay, FPS is not perfect. Yeah, I will see list append. Probably you are right. So these are global variables, so these are loaded when I start list append. Is there any append? I guess not. No. Oh. App? No, no append. Any list? Okay, these should be only consist of 2 ones and no append. Now let's see on enemies. Append. No append. Do we have a list here? Okay, this is strange because no list. Okay. Game. Append. Yeah, but print. Okay, I guess this is not needed. Player level. Oh, I didn't want to close it. Level. Now let's see here. Append. Yeah, of course we have words. Okay. Add enemy. So now we have also to search for add enemy. Add enemy. Anything add, we also have to look for an add. Append? No. Okay, this is from the old one. Also. No append. Okay, I should try this. Maybe. Try to. Where's the interface? So here we have level or core devs. I should look for core devs. No append, no add. Not that easy, to be honest. Oh, you can see back in 5 minutes. I'm already back. Sorry for that one. Maybe confusing. But yeah, like already back. Back to back. Okay. Every listed path. Level. Let's do it without it. And let's try it. Let's move a little bit. Hello, by the way, to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm trying to drop the FPS. And maybe it could it be the interface? Now let's try it with enemies. So sorry, this one was commented, I commented it out. Now let's wait a little bit, see if it drops. If it would be funny if it is just the interface. Let's move around. Oh no, it's not the interface, I guess. So yeah, obviously it has something to do with the enemies. Okay, yeah, let's do it with the enemies. Now let's try it with only 10 enemies. I mean, I obviously have to do something because I want to do even 100 enemies. So... Yep. Decrease... Yeah, okay, problems are decreasing dramatically. See, I can now move around, hit some stuff. And now FPS drops completely different, so yeah, he has problems with more than 20. You can try it with 100 enemies. Yeah, you see, this definitely has to do with the enemies. Yeah. This is now getting really bad. So... Now let's see if it is depending on the random movement. Compute enemies. Let's outcommand this block here. Okay, and I will make everything follow me. Okay, this doesn't seem to be the problem. As you can see, even with 100 enemies, I still have a constant frame rate. Strange. Okay, now we realized this one is the problem. Okay, if not, I will try it without the if conditions here. Now let's see. The thing is now they can kind of move in the way they want, but I don't check up if they could maybe collide with obstacles, like the wall here. So yeah, no collision management. And they don't follow me. Come on, follow me, guys. Okay, what something you're doing? Ah, okay, you're doing 4 multiplied enemy numbers. That's a little bit too much. Yeah, maybe that's the issue, because now, as you can see, everything is fine. So maybe what is my intention could be I give them an area where they are allowed to move in, and maybe there they can move as much as they want. Maybe that. Could be an idea. Hello Alex, I used it once, and not now, but yeah, something which is on my to-do list to implement it for sharing the code. Because I've heard there's an option that you don't have, if you want to share code, you have to register an entire project. This is at the moment what kept me from doing much into GitHub. But yeah, I can send you code on any platform you want. I can show it on Discord if you want my code. Can give you the code on Discord. Even through GitHub would be much easier. Yeah, this is... Okay, now let's switch it back, but I wanna... I have an idea. I will do everything. So first, let's see, generate. Yeah, I'm thinking how is the easiest way to implement it, but I guess I have an idea. I'm just thinking, am I doing it now or later? And doing something else, because I wanted to do flasks also tonight. I love the track, by the way. Yeah. Let me say I will stay it here and will continue tomorrow. I kind of found out what is cool, and it is this function here, collides with obstacle. This one is causing it because any obstacles, and there are many obstacles, even if... Oh no, there aren't many obstacles, it's only 4 obstacles, but still... But it seems... but the thing is, I have 100 enemies and it's still faster than 20 enemies without this fun. My last message unread. Oh, sorry. Ah, okay, yeah, it was... yeah, kind of... I thought I read it, but yeah, depending your implementation, there's a Pygame group called doesn't check. Okay. Pygame group collection. Okay. Group collision. I'm googling it, by the way, if you're asking what I'm doing. Ah, group collision, group collision. But even so, there are only 4 obstacles that he has to check, so... Level. By the way, I will make a little poll. What should I do? Continue Pygame, Matplotlib, Numpy or Pandas, anything else. Shit. Really does it? But I don't have any options, so yes, it does. But you can maybe post it in a comment in a video. Or let me link you my Discord. I should, by the way, start Discord. Okay, 1 at 2 at continue Pygame. 3 at continue Pygame. Seems like I have no choice. Yeah. Okay. If you want, 1 second. I will post my tag in the chat. Oh, okay, but this should be, I can, 1 second. Right. This shouldn't be much of an issue. Pygame point, spoiled point. Okay. Pygame point, sprite. Let me first try NPC. Now, do I have the super? First, let's do it format. Okay, I need... okay. Point sprite. And I need a super class call. Okay. Now let me think. Okay, maybe I will. Yeah, it's okay. Class is bright. So in it. Okay. Now I need to add a sprite to a group. Pygame. Ah, here. Yeah, maybe that's much more efficient simply by the fact that we are now using C code if we are using this function, so I should rely on them instead of lists in Python, which are super slow. Kind of. And hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to use sprites. Okay, let's first NPC. Oh, this can be, but let's try it, even if it equals, whoa, Pygame point. This can be complicated, but I would wanna try it. Pygame point, group, sprite point, group. Yeah, but Pygame point, sprite point, group. Okay, now generate enemies. Would be funny if, of course, Okay. Come on. Okay, even. Yeah, okay, but we are not finished yet. Just doing the basics. So. Okay. Now let's say game level. But yeah, kind of. Oh, he's overwriting it. So it was a list, a group element. Iterate through a group in Python. Not Pandas, but in Pygame. Ah, okay, so I can iterate through groups as I iterate through lists or sets. Is that possible? Because then it would be super easy. Or not super easy, but super doable. Okay. Self point enemies point at. Okay, still. No. But where was the old one? This was okay. Ah, yeah. Add enemy self point add. So yeah, first step is made for enemy and enemy groups. Yeah, like you do it in lists. Okay. Good. I need to copy that. That was what I wanted to copy. Point at. What does he expect? Type extra group. Maybe. Yeah, I'm referring to the class, I guess. Def in it. Okay. Okay. I'm saying okay really often, but okay. Pretty often, you don't say really often, you say pretty often, I guess. Pretty often. Okay, in it. And yeah, sprite. Look at sprite. Add self groups. And an enemy is a subtype of a sprite. Oh, I'm stupid. Where was level? No, I have to find it. Of course, because enemy, where's enemy? Enemy, where are you? Oh, I have called it NPC. So it is sprite point sprite, so it has to be enemy point at. Now let's get to level. Now let's say point at. Set point enemies. Here we go. And there he is. There's our little friend. This is a cool song. By the way, like always, cool songs should be posted in the chat. Haunted House Neoni. Haunted House Neoni. Haunted Houses, by the way, is the title, and yeah. Sound. Okay, so back to okay. Now we wanna do more if level. Say it. High in range 100. Now let's see if something has changed already. seems like, okay, the FPS still drops, but if I'm not totally stupid, the drop got a little bit slower now. So there's still much work to do, like the collide what is told, but yeah. This should be handleable. Okay, next one is because we have static objects, this should always be a group. So let's call it Pygame point sprite point group. And yeah, none with the brackets, of course. And sorry. Sorry for the moaning. Getting sleepy. How long have I been streaming? Not long, I guess. Not long at all. Less than 1.5 hours. Okay. Okay, add. Pygame point, sprite point, sprite. Add super class, level. Now point add self point static objects. And yeah, I don't need, this is a tuple, I don't want a tuple. Okay. Okay. Now, name group is not defined. Okay, it's still none because everything will be added. Okay, now the FPS decreased even more. This is bad. Okay. Still, don't have yet made the group collision. We should do that. But yeah, let's first make a little break. Yeah. Now it's time for the little break, I guess 10 minutes. Something like that. Then I will return. Where's my text? Okay, see you soon, guys. Okay, I'm still there, but I need to eat a few things. Okay, I need to eat a few things, sounds like I'm eating. But yeah, if you have any questions, we can still chat. The chat shall be active. Just that I can't talk that much. So yeah. And yeah, feel free to ask anything. Okay, this. Yeah. See you in a few minutes, seconds. Let's sing the song to ourselves more. Okay. Now I will eat something. If you have any questions, why the chat is still on. And hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm just making a quick break, but I will be there in a few minutes. But I'm so hungry. I kind of feel like starving. Even that I'm just eating cheese curd without any taste. There's nothing to you. What the hell? Hello to everyone who joined recently. Stream will start at, or did already started, but we will continue in a few minutes.
I get addicted to the wrong things. You come along searching for
I'm almost finished. Okay, I'm back. Ah, okay. Now, let's try if I messed something up. Now I'm really... Okay, the FPS drops even without the collision, so... Now I made something totally wrong. But what? No, I don't want to debug. What is it? No. Yeah, this is not used in this version. Where is it? Okay. Seems like I can draw them all by once, but I'm really confused how I could do this. Because I'm stupid. So, if I don't have the walls. Okay, without the walls, I don't have any problems. So the walls are the problem when they are drawn, because I don't have any FPS drops now. Okay, so new problem. I mean, okay. That seems harder than I thought. And hello to everyone who joined, by the way, or joined recently. Okay. Flip event type. Tag movement, event. So this one slows everything down. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now it drops. Okay. Ah. Ah ha 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 ha. No, I'm not using them. No. I should start using them, maybe. Can be pretty useful, even in the case I'm at the moment. but yeah, I don't have many experiences. It's kind of a gap I have to fill one day. Yeah. I'm sorry. But I guess I found the issue. Which is, like Balas already mentioned, I generate the worlds each time now. And that is total BS. Sorry for the curse. But that had to be done. Okay, cool. Even with 100 enemies. As a stress test. Oh, perfect. And I thought I was retarded. No. Thank you, by the way, Balas, because you are totally right. I kind of hid that in a function I used. Okay, now I guess this will still cause trouble, but can finally work around it. Yeah, now the FPS will drop, I guess. If not... Oh! Interesting. I'm waiting for the drop. Wow! Even if I stay for a little time? Oh, this has to be celebrated. Look at that. How beautiful the FPS cap keeps itself at 30. Look at my beautiful game. Oh, okay, far away from a beautiful game, but look at that. Everything is put up correctly. Oh, beautiful. Just pure beauty. Could do this the entire day. Of course I won't do this the entire night. But this is pure madness in a positive way. So what am I going to do now? Get myself another coffee because I solved it. And then we can finally go on with new cool stuff. Okay. Today or two. Yeah, and this really took the entire stream today, but I don't care. If it's solved, it is solved. So yeah, solved is counted as solved. So now we can hand. I wanna test it again because yeah, after so much issues. But I still want to do the ultimate stress test. I wanna get myself a coffee now. And if I will come again, only 2 minutes, I won't take long. It won't take long, I mean. And after that we will maybe see if it is improved or if we still have the same drops of FPS. But looking good. And every calculation is made correctly. This is, by the way, I love that. I still wondering if they can, but they can't move outside of the game. Come, please move outside of the game. Oh, we can try it. I'm totally stupid if this works. Just say equal 3 to 5. Okay, now let's say 4 to 4. Oh, interesting. There they go. Far away from where I can reach them. So yeah, how can I handle this better? Rectangle, maybe. Hello, by the way, to everyone who joined recently. If not self-collide obstacles. My leg, I can't feel my leg at the moment. Anyways. Yeah, if you're sitting in the wrong one, can't feel your leg because you really have to choose your sit position correctly. And that's important. Not important, I mean important. Big difference. Little word, but big difference. Getting home. Well, I can't feel my leg, I'm singing. Getting home. Getting home. Getting home. Getting home. Okay. If not, okay. Strange. But anyway, there once was a boy who liked to suck his thumb. His mother asked him to stop, but he wouldn't, so she cut off his thumbs. Now he has no thumbs. Good night. Okay, this was a German fairy tale, a German bedtime story, I mean. I can tell you another one while I'm thinking out why No collision doesn't work. What is another German bedtime story? There once was a boy who refused to eat his soup. But still they didn't cook anything else. So he died of starvation. Good night. Another German bedtime story could be: there was a girl home alone. Her parents were gone, only her cats. She saw some lighter and wanted to see it glow, but one of the sparks got on her clothes. She burned to death. Good night. Yeah, I kind of, as a kid, my parents didn't read me, but I got a book called Struwwelpeter, and yeah, I was really fascinated by the stories. Not even scared, but more like, yeah, it was part of you were excited to read them. You didn't see them as horror stories, but more like cool stories to sleep with. If you get what I mean. Yeah, that are actual German bedtime stories. There's even a joke on Family Guy about German bedtime stories. Yeah. Do I know another one? No, it's not. It's really not a joke. It's really it's true. In the original story, not the mother cut off his thumbs, but it was a tailor. So his thumbs got. She warned him that if he will suck on his thumbs, a tailor will come in and cut off his thumbs with a big scissor. And in the story, when the mother went out, he sucked his thumb, and then tailor, a random stranger, a tailor, get in the house and cut off his thumbs and went away after cutting off his thumb. And then his mother returned, was like, "I told you so." And yeah, that's the original story, but but these are true stories. These are true German bedtime stories. I'm not joking. Maybe you can create an artificial intelligence that kind of thinks more about German bedtime stories, or to make them more like German bedtime stories. And yeah, a lot of children die in German bedtime stories. Like, one girl was burned to death, one child died of starvation because he didn't want to eat his soup. Another one didn't die. Yeah, another one was blown away by the wind. This one was really cool because there was a boy who wasn't allowed to play outside because it was windy and rainy all the time, but he still went outside. And he was blown away by the wind, but he was kind of flying away until he was never seen again. And this was so mysterious because I imagined he was in far lands having adventures and stuff like this. But in reality, parents wanted to teach their kid, don't go outside when it's raining and when it's stormy outside. But I was more like, I had to go outside when it's stormy because maybe the wind blows me away into forgotten lands and I will, something like this. Okay, so now I forgot where collision. Now let's get back to coding after this little trip. And yeah, I didn't have any nightmares regarding that, so I don't know if kids had nightmares, I guess not. Yeah, but collide with obstacles. You're right, Balash, but return. Usually it should get the collide rectangle object. So this is, by the way, static, so it's more enemy get rectangle, and this is static because it or yeah, this should be if I go to NPC. Move right, move up, move down, move right, move left. Get rectangle. But get rectangle should give the actual one. And it kind of, I did the same in my old game, it kind of worked. So I'm now kind of confused, why doesn't it work now? Even if it has something to do with the camera. Okay. They are vanishing. Okay, so there's work to be done. Let me think. Let me think. It's maybe the actual issue is that of direction. So yeah, rectangle. Obstacle get rectangle both doesn't do anything with with the camera. So the camera can't be the problem, but maybe okay, let's do something stupid. What if we do this? They shouldn't be moving at all. Yeah, okay, so Don't ask me why I did this. Sometimes I do stupid stuff. Hello, by the way, to anyone who joined. Yeah, we are doing Python, Pygame. Ask me anything, what I should cover. I will try to engage it. Yes. So we go with the flow. Generate. Okay, I guess it's time for the next coffee, because then I will maybe have an idea. Or I will try what Pandas said with fixed point instead of the enemy coordinates. But it shouldn't be a fixed point at all, but maybe try something. Because, yeah, 5 minutes. Really no minute longer. So see you in 5 minutes.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control.
Okay, I'm back. And hello to everyone. 1 second. 2 seconds. Okay, hello to everyone who joined recently. Hello, Sheena. Sheena, hope I'm pronouncing it right. Oh, I'm 1 minute too late, sorry. Even if I said I won't. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah. But I guess I won't be that long anymore because I still need to go to bed soon. But yeah, maybe I still wanna see what the issue is with the collision here. Maybe, or maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't drink coffee that lately, but music keeps me. So yeah, I should continue. Self-collision. Okay. Am I on the wrong? Am I? Maybe. By the way, I'm just seeing it. What means good afternoon? Good afternoon? Really curious or interested what language that is. Okay. I shouldn't keep myself from coding. Static wall images. Okay. Okay, yeah, I get that. And here XSF. Okay, maybe I will try it with another. Let's do it with 1 and 1. maybe I messed something up with the entire direction, so yeah. Let's make it rain. Ah, in Danish, okay. Danish. Cool, Danish. Okay, so as you can see, the collision doesn't work at all. So maybe... Pygame. So this is object. Ah. Maybe like this. Let's try it this way. Seems like a small difference, but oh please, 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 please don't, no, 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 no. Could make the epic no, like in the movie. Okay. Now let's head to the strict debugging. I'm thinking I will make a stream either tomorrow or on Monday. I guess definitely on the day after that, on Tuesday. Enemy direction. Let us print something so we see that he at least checks it. Yeah, okay, he checks it. Perfect. Now let's see. Print something like this one, and yeah, at the moment we don't need to print the frame rate. Because for myself the non-collision movement. Okay, he doesn't check it. Now let's see how I handle it by myself. Player compute movement. Okay. Yeah, I always plan to start streaming sooner, but most of the time something happened that I can't. Like today, for example, a friend was calling, wanted help with a task at university. And then he told me about a boxing match between Mike Tyson and when he was still old, and I needed to see the boxing match, something like that. But usually, best thing is when I plan the stream and set it up so you can see it on the screen, but because then I have to attend the stream, and then I can't say to anyone, no, I can't today. I can't say to anyone I already planned the stream and set it up, so that's the best thing that can happen regarding that. No, mean CS? Filtering RF signals. You mean audio signals? Like, yeah, that's... Well, by the way, what project are you attending? And now I have to... CS has stands for many things. Oh yeah, yes, I'm studying for computer science at the moment. I'm at the old system because I switched university, and most of the subjects I couldn't take over because before that I was attending a common university, and now I attend a university that I can attend from home, so everything is in the internet. Yeah. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Search. Ah, okay. That's interesting. That's something I never heard of. Search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Wow, that's something really special. So, what are you working at? Kind of the planetarium, or is it a project of university? Or because it's really, why is it showing back in 5 minutes? Because okay. And you're filtering the signals, I guess. Oh, he was this one with a golden record, the Voyager. Yeah, I remember. I remember that. With the golden... not CDs, but yeah, yeah, they are... I've heard of that, they are kind of trying to catch the signals since decades. Yeah, interesting topic. That's really... But is it your work, or is it like you're doing it for study, or are you... It's kind of... Ah, okay. Oh, I have an old telescope on my... Oh, it's back in the house of my parents. It's locked, I guess. Really, kind of locked. Don't... But... Yeah, not even comparable, I guess, with the stuff you are searching, because, yeah. Telescope equipment. Thinking about what you can actually see at the moment on the sky, the night sky. I always looked up, I once was able to see Jupiter with its 4 moons. It has many more moons, but the 4 moons, Ganymede, Callisto, Io and Europa. And these are German names, I don't know if the names are similar in English. And also the Saturn with its ring, which was... Didn't even know it was a planet until I saw the ring. Because with my own eye, when I'm looking in the sky, I can't really see that. Okay. Collision. Yeah, I did it with if pressed key, if CB point. And here I made it with, it's kind of the same way, CB, no collision. Like this. Ah, okay. Okay. So you mean something? Okay, SpaceX is you can't call SpaceX a branch, but okay. Okay. But that still sounds interesting because even if you are just if you are responsible for the theoretical research of the equipment, you still have some insights. I guess. Do you have the insights of the results? But and even if you're being responsible means you have to dive. I guess so that you have to dive deep into it because if you need to, what was it? The filtering RF signals, doesn't seem like an easy job. I can hear myself, by the way. I hope you can't hear what I'm. Of course, you should be able to hear what I'm saying, but not kind of my voice repeating itself. Ah, okay. Okay. Years ago. Yeah, I'm so old already. Years ago seems like just, I mean, years ago. Corona was years ago. I can't even believe it. It seems like it was yesterday. Player rectangle, collide rectangle. Okay, get rectangle. And yeah, I did it the same way with the player and that works, so level. Why doesn't it work here? Enemy get rectangle enemy. If Pygame. And yeah, it is enemy. Okay, I will now try it with 3. It doesn't even make sense that I tried, but I wanna see what the issue is. Cause now it should collide. But it doesn't. I'm colliding with it. I can't. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of Germany, you say, standing on the trail or on the Schlauch. Whew. Oh. Rectangle. If you have the link, cool. Oh yeah, YouTube definitely does. Alex is white. Unfortunately. Yeah, it seems like a great idea. Or you can post it in a comment because I'm... Okay, I have an idea because yeah, it's already nearly 3 hours and I'm kind of getting tired, sleepy. I would now end the screen, or or I want to find out why it's not working. But you can send it me on Discord if you want. And then I can post, if it's a link, I should be able to post it in the description below of the stream. That could be an idea. Yeah, where's by the way my Discord? Okay. I cannot copy that. Oh, I can't copy that. Okay. Still want to see why. Maybe. No, not maybe. Do. By the way, thanks to the one who subscribed lately. Got a new subscriber, which is cool. Almost hitting 600. Okay. So what was the direction I'm moving through? So let's do it for E in animal weight. And I wanna see if he, oh, by the way, yeah. I wanna see if he iterates through the entire list. Print E. Yes, he does. Okay. Now I will decrease. Let's say level, where's level? Here's level. Now I will decrease it once to First of all, FPS will be set down to 10. I will decrease the enemy count. To 10. And let's say to 1. And yeah. $100 to 120. 100 to 120. Let's see. Okay, good. And now game interface level. That's something we don't need to print this. And instead of print E, print object point X, print obstacle point X, print object point Y, print, let's see, not object, obstacle. Okay. Okay, so even make it more clear, 5. Yeah, I went to 5 FPS. Because this wall is okay. This could be the issue. Because now let us stop it. $81,103.0. Okay, now this is the way it should be okay.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish, you critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't want that. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that.
Should work. Ah. No. Okay. So if we, yeah. Okay, I'm giving it up. Maybe I have to look that tomorrow. Yeah, I will do that tomorrow. If anyone is still watching or hearing, I wish you a wonderful evening. Wonderful. Yeah, maybe I do. Still have. Yeah, still can do it tomorrow. And yeah, I wish everyone a wonderful evening time, or evening time, not wonderful dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. I don't know. In Turkey it should be even later. In Denmark it should be around, yeah, the same time. It should be 3:30. But most of the people who are still there seem to be night owls like me. So yeah. Have a good rest night, sleep tight and sleep well, and see you hopefully in another stream. Goodbye, Alex. Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye to everyone, and yeah. Okay, that's a button to end it. Here it is. Okay, now finally. See you!